What's up guys, IKEA here and welcome back to another brand new video. Today I've come here to IKEA, which is a Swedish brand, to do some shopping for my home studio setup. I've got to go and get some like desks, chairs, etc. I've reached IKEA now and hopefully we can find some good stuff. I've already picked up some things from the online store. They've got some weird names, so I'm gonna like look out for that and also show you guys it in the vlog. So yeah. Okay, so I've already come inside IKEA, but this is like the hall living room section, you can say, and it looks damn dope. Yeah, so they've actually made, the best part about IKEA is they've made different types of places where you can actually see what you'll actually have in your home. It's not like any other store. So yeah, I actually came here from a bean bag. Actually so many things, but let us see this pillow. My mom will definitely love this. Oh damn, what about these covers? Wait. These covers are dope. But these are all for like the bedroom kind of this thing. Bedroom settings. So we have just come to the couches section and I think this one looks so good. This grey one and also this red one. But if I get something like in black, I'll definitely take it, like the same thing. Oh, that one looks like a perfect one. This is also big and like, oh, it's pretty comfortable also now. How much is this one? $9.95, damn shit. And this one is, oh, this one is only $119. But this one also looks good, like very good. My mom wanted a similar type of chair like this. Yeah, I think it is this one. She wanted a chair like this, but let me just check the price. Yeah, $115. Yeah, I think she wanted a chair like this only. It looks good though, it's quite sturdy. It's a wooden chair. But it looks good. For a second when I read this, I thought the chair was for 19 dirhams, but after that when I saw this, I'm like, what? Yeah, then this is also there. But overall it's really good. And these are cushions also. So like, this looks like a really good combination. No, I don't think so. I don't know. Yeah. This one looks good also. This banana fiber here. I'll just anyways ask them. Okay guys, so it's almost been like half an hour or more than that since I have come here. This looks actually dope. So yeah, I've actually done quite a lot of shopping, like especially like for my relating to the drawers, etc. because I needed some cable organizers. And guess what? Who's the smart kid over here? This is actually a kitchen cutlery organizer, but I thought like I can put my SD cards over here and like all the things, etc. And this is like going to just fit perfectly in my drawer, so that's why I got that. And like maximum thing of whatever I got till now is only been 15 dirhams because I'm just like continuously looking for like just like maximum kind of discount or something. Okay guys, so we are finally completed with the shopping. This much is how much the shopping I did. I did like chairs, then storage furniture, and then like also like so much more like baggage, etc. like cable management, basically all of that. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully the entire bill should come under 200. That's what I'm praying. But yeah.